Hi, I am Tapan Chakraborty. Welcome to my channel, Fly with Tapan. When we drive a car, there is only one movement, that is on the surface of the earth, either left or right. But for a flying aircraft, it can be the following movements: left, right, up, down, or roll. Today we will look into these movements. All physical body, let it be of any shape, there will be a point from where we can hang it to balance the body. This point is known as center of gravity, or in short CG. The mass of the body acts vertically downward through this point. Similarly, the aircraft also has its CG. All aircraft's movement is done about its CG. Now we will see the different aircraft's movement. Let us draw a straight line from the nose to the tail through the CG of the aircraft, the virtual line known as longitudinal axis of the aircraft. Aircraft movements about its longitudinal axis is known as roll. Similarly, we can draw a vertical line through the CG of the aircraft, and this line is known as vertical axis. Aircraft's movement about its vertical axis is known as yaw. Another line which is parallel to the wing and through the CG is known as lateral axis. The aircraft movement about its lateral axis is known as pitch. Let it be any maneuvers of the aircraft in air, it performed by one or combination of more than one of these movements. How are these three movements performed? It needs an input device, control surfaces, and the force to move the control surfaces. The control surface is moved by hydraulic power or by a hydraulic actuator. The airstream deflected by the control surfaces creates an aerodynamic force which pushes the control surfaces or the whole aircraft in the opposite direction to the diverted airstream. The input devices operate by pilots and their control stick and radar pedal. If a pilot pulls the control stick towards him, the elevator will be deflected in this manner. The airstream will be diverted up. Due to opposite reaction, it will push the tail of the aircraft down. So the whole aircraft will rotate about its lateral axis and make a nose-up movement. Left and right movement of the control sticks make the aileron to operate and perform the roll movement. For example, if pilot pushes the control stick towards the left aileron of the aircraft will go up, and as a result of aerodynamic force, the left wing goes down, and similarly, right wing goes up, and the aircraft as a whole makes the rolling movement. Pushing one of the radar pedal, either left or right, make the radar of the aircraft to move left or right, depending upon which radar pedal pressed by the pilot. If he pushes the left radar pedal, the aircraft radar moves towards left. The aerodynamic force created by the diverted airstream will push the tail of the aircraft towards right. The whole aircraft will rotate about its vertical axis towards the left. All these three control surfaces are known as primary control surfaces as they move the aircraft about one of its axes. It takes a lot of time and effort to make this type of video. Your subscription will encourage me to do many more. Thanks a lot for watching this video.